Hey guys, welcome to iFoodReal, where we make healthy dinner easy, tasty, yummy, and just super awesome. And this is episode number 5 in our Healthy Instant Pot series. And I'm so excited for today's recipe because it's so easy. It's one of the easiest Instant Pot recipes ever. It's Instant Pot chicken breast. How to cook chicken breast fresh or frozen. Make sure you stay till the end where we cover frozen chicken breast like full on with super simple spices, ingredients, and then you can refrigerate it for up to 5 days, shred or cube, and use in salads, tostadas, you name it, just like go for it. So let me show you. Add 1 cup water to Instant Pot. You always need at least half a cup, but 1 cup is better. Then we take trivet, put it in there. Then you add your chicken. I am using fresh chicken breasts, and they're organic, and they're kind of larger, I would say a pound each. So you can cook as many chicken breasts at a time as you like, and we just add them to Instant Pot. And I do the same cooking time for any size of chicken breast. What is really amazing, it doesn't really dry out meat the way we cook. And then now we're going to season chicken breast. You can really use anything, salt and pepper to taste, or any of your favorite spices like dried herbs. I'm gonna use salt, pepper, and sauteing garlic powder. That's what Ukrainians use all the time, garlic, in fresh or dry form. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt, pepper, freshly cracked pepper, and garlic powder. And then I'm just kind of like gonna take one and push it on top of another one, season it on the bottom. That's really it. Then you close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Make sure the pressure release valve is set to ceiling. Then pressure cook on high pressure for 10 minutes. You can keep warm on or off. So display will say on, and Instant Pot should take about 5 to 10 minutes to come to pressure. It depends on the size. 6 or takes less time. And then countdown will begin for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, your chicken is ready. Instant Pot will beep and display will say off. You have to let pressure come down naturally for 5 minutes, and then you can turn the pressure valve to venting and release remaining pressure and open the lid. A tip for you if you like to cook frozen chicken breasts in Instant Pot. When you bring fresh chicken breasts from the store in a tray, take each breast and wrap it in parchment paper. It doesn't have to be this big, to separate chicken breasts from each other, because you cannot take a blob, let's say, of 4 or 5 frozen chicken breasts, put them in Instant Pot and cook, because the sides where they're frozen together and touching each other, it will be raw meat no matter how long you cook, and even if you cook very long, the outside will be overcooked. So just separate and freeze like this in parchment paper. So then when ready to cook from frozen, you just take it out from the bag, unwrap parchment paper, and put frozen chicken breast in your Instant Pot. Parchment paper helps to prevent breasts sticking to each other. And if they are a little bit stuck, just run them under cold water. That's it. So now we're gonna cook frozen chicken breasts. They're totally frozen, and you do exactly the same thing, just cook them for 15 minutes. Cook frozen frozen chicken breasts for 15 minutes on high pressure. And then do the same 5 minutes natural release and then quick release. The only difference between frozen and fresh chicken breast is the cooking time. The taste test. Good luck to all of us.
Hi everybody.
This chicken is really, really good and it goes with anything. So today we're taste testing it with chips.
Of course.
Why not? Healthy. And a couple days old pico de gallo. Nothing goes to waste. Okay. And some delicious, juicy Instant Pot chicken breast. Okay, my friend.
Perfect.
Good luck to you. Oh, yes. Okay, some chicken in pico de gallo. Oh my gosh, pico de gallo is good. The recipe is on my website.
You like chicken like that?
But you can really do anything with this chicken. Really good. This is lunch.
It is lunch now. FYI. Yeah?
This chicken, guys, is juicy. It's not dry at all. No dry chicken here. We don't cook dry chicken breast here.
I think the coolest part about it. The coolest part about it.
What's the coolest part?
You can do frozen and you can do just regular. And then you can do that.
I mean fresh?
Fresh. Not fresh, sorry, dead.
Oh my gosh, let's not go there.
Okay. No, good chicken, very good. Thank you very much.
So good. Chicken salad, quesadillas, meal prep with quinoa. What else? What would you do?
I could eat it like this.
How are you gonna cook shredded chicken for me this week?
I'll figure it out.
We take turns to cook.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, well, that's it.
That's it?
This is conclude our episode 5.
5 healthy Instant Pot. If you don't have Instant Pot, you are missing out big time. I have 2.
Yeah, we need more.
We need more.
See you guys.
Anyways, bye.
Yeah,
See you
bye.
next week. Bye.